Welcome to Go Lesson 21, Packages and Modules. Modules are how Go manages dependencies and code organization. Packages let you split code into reusable units. Capitalization controls what is public or private. Let us start by creating a Go module. A module is a collection of packages that are versioned together. We create a directory for our project. Go mod init creates a new module. The name is the import path. This creates a go.mod file that tracks our module name and Go version. The go.mod file is the heart of a Go module. It contains the module path and the Go version. Now let us create our main.go file. The main package is special. It is the entry point of the program. Let us see the complete file. Go run compiles and runs the module. Now let us create a custom package. A package is a directory containing Go files with the same package name. We create a greetings directory for our package. The package name matches the directory name by convention. Let us create the greetings package. Capitalized names are public. Welcome and farewell can be called from other packages. Notice the function names start with uppercase letters. Lowercase names are private. Format message can only be used within this package. The same rule applies to constants. Version is public, max retries is private. Let us review the complete package. Running just the package shows no output. We need a main package. Now let us import and use our package. We import packages using the module path plus the package directory. Let us create a main.go file that uses our greetings package. The import path is myapp/greetings. Myapp is our module name. Go uses the module path from go.mod to resolve local packages. We call public functions using the package name.function name. We can also access the public constant version. Private functions and constants would cause a compile error. Let us see both files together. Go run compiles all Go files in the current directory. Let us create a project with multiple packages. Larger projects are organized into multiple packages by feature. We create directories for calculator and stringutil packages. Each package has its own directory with related functions. Let us create the calculator package with math functions. Each function is exported by capitalizing its name. Add, subtract, multiply, and divide are all public. Now let us create the stringutil package. This package provides string manipulation functions. Reverse and to upper are public functions. Finally, let us create main.go that uses both packages. We import both packages using the module path. Now we can call functions from both packages. The tree command shows our project structure. Running the project uses both packages together. Let us recap packages and modules. GoMod init creates a new module with a go.mod file. Packages are directories containing Go files with the same package name. Capitalized names are public, lowercase names are private. Import packages using the module path plus the package directory. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we cover file I/O in Go. Like and subscribe to continue your Go journey.